Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this 1 minute low chignon hairstyle. To start, we're going to smooth the hair with a brush into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck and just secure this with an elastic band. Next, we're going to add a clear elastic band a few inches from the bottom of the ponytail. Now pop a couple of fingers under the elastic band of the ponytail and pass the end of the ponytail up to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Tuck the ends back inside that roll we've just made. Now push the chignon towards the head and secure it on the right and left hand side with a bobby pin. Next, we're going to secure the sides of the chignon to the head using a bobby pin. And do this on both sides. Apply a little hairspray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.